Are you stuck thinking you need thousands of views to make real money from YouTube? Let me be honest with you. My biggest videos, the videos that had over hundreds of thousands of views, got me 0 sales. In fact, it got me way more troll comments than anything. But my clients, one had a video with 7 views, made a $50 sale. Another client had 20 views on a video, not only got a membership sign up, but also a one-on-one client from that one 20 viewed video. So no, YouTube isn't hard. You're just using it wrong. Most business owners treat YouTube as a content platform. And as business owners, we have to create content. So you just create content to put on YouTube and hope that works. You post every week. Maybe you're even batching your videos. You feel like you're optimizing them because you're looking for all the tags and the SEO and all the things the gurus say to do. And still, not only are you not getting many views, but you're not getting any sales or clients. And it's not because you're lazy and it's not because your content isn't good. It's because you're using the wrong strategy. Especially if you have said or you've thought, I'm posting but not making sales. What am I doing wrong? Do I need to go viral to make money here? YouTube just isn't working for me. It's not a platform for my audience. I get it. And I've been there. The plaque you get when you hit 100,000 subscribers, I thought it would make me more legit. I thought it would make me more authority in my niche. And so I made viral videos on topics that I knew would get a lot of views. And my sales from YouTube pretty much dried up. Because what's worse is when you have a few viral videos, the algorithm assumes the people that are watching those viral videos are the best people for your channel. And so if those viral videos aren't generating sales, your channel is going to slip into a deep hole of continuously getting crappy views, leading to no sales. So when somebody's telling you, here's how to go viral on YouTube, or here's a viral video topic, don't do it. Because as soon as I started to have that realization click, and it was a hard click to have, I realized YouTube isn't a vanity metrics game. Even though I talk about this all the time, YouTube is a sales platform. If you set it up right, then your views don't matter because you're going to the bank with money. Let me walk you through what most content creators do and what business owners like us should be doing instead. So the content creator game is going to be chasing more views. Always trying to get more views on their video, posting for reach, trying to reach the most impressions possible, trying to be everywhere, promoting your videos on Instagram, on TikTok, everywhere, and basing their success on subscriber numbers. As business owners, this is the game we should be playing. Training the algorithm to send you the right people, and by right people, I mean ready to buy viewers. Yes, this is gonna be not the masses, and your videos are gonna get a lot less views. But comment sales down below if you want your YouTube video to make you sales every day. Second, we're gonna be posting for revenue. Again, we're not posting for views. Yes, we want views, but we want the right views. The third thing is we're building a system. This is my playlist funnel. And the whole reason I build out my videos in 5 video series is because I'm building a system that maximizes every video that I post here on YouTube to lead to sales. I'm not posting YouTube videos for fun. I do like creating YouTube videos, but if I'm not making money on it, it's not fun anymore. And the 5th thing that you need to be doing differently is you need to be tracking conversions. What videos are sending you sales? What videos are getting people wanting to work with you? What are the topics? And then that's the content you're gonna double down on. Not the topics that are getting the most views, the topics that are getting the most sales. If you're just throwing content on the wall onto YouTube, YouTube will feel very hard. But when you start thinking about your system in your playlist funnel, you're basically giving the algorithm the recipe for exactly who to send your videos to. You're ready to buy viewers. You see, the YouTube algorithm is a matching machine, but you have to train it. And you have to train it with consistent, specific videos that speak directly to your buyer. Because you don't need 1,000 views, you need 10 of the right viewers. I've had clients in my YouTube coaching experience that have come to me with a brand new channel, with a small channel, with a channel with 15,000 subscribers. the same problem was occurring. They weren't making money from YouTube and they wanted to make more money from YouTube. A client that I had that started from scratch, her second video with me got 7 views and made a $50 sale with just 7 views. Another client had less than 500 subscribers and a video went live with 20 views and it got her a new membership sign up and a one-on-one client with 20 views. And another client came to me with an established channel with about 15,000 subscribers, but she felt she wasn't making the amount of money she should be making from YouTube. When she shifted to building her strategy on YouTube following the playlist funnel, not only did she literally start making sales in the comments of her videos, but she was also able to book a 5-figure brand deal because this company saw how specific she was to her audience. She was speaking specifically to the niche that brand wanted to hit, and that's why she was able to get a 5-figure brand deal. And myself included. I stopped worrying about perfect edits. In fact, I did some of my videos where I hardly did any edits at all. These drove me sales and they had some of the best audience retention I've ever seen. And I'm not worried about super trendy topics or titles. And I'm making more money this year than I've ever made before and working less. I'm only filming these YouTube videos once, maybe twice a month. And sometimes they get filmed with lipstick on their teeth. Maybe I do today. Sometimes I have rosacea outbreaks. Sometimes I have a kid running into the video. But those videos, because of the system that I use for YouTube, instead of following what the gurus say to do and creating a system for business owners, those videos with lipstick on my teeth, rosacea, kids, are still making me sales months later. In 2025 and beyond, what's gonna make YouTube really work isn't perfection. It's going to be human connection. If you've been telling yourself you're not started on YouTube yet because I'm not ready yet, or I'm not techie enough yet, that's not the problem. The problem is believing you need to be somebody else to see success here on YouTube. You don't need perfect lighting. You don't need perfect equipment. You don't need a perfect backdrop. You need a message and the content that makes the right person say, yes, this is for me. This is exactly what I needed. Thank you so much for speaking to me. And that comes from solving real problems and not worrying about chasing aesthetics. Because the one good thing about AI is human connection is going to be valuable and people are going to be looking for it. And if you're showing up being real, your authentic self, I say authentic because it's been an overused word, but if you're showing up being real, being yourself, and another human can connect to that, that's what people are going to buy into. If you've been posting on YouTube and hoping that video sends you a client or hoping that video makes you a sale, or you know you want to do YouTube and you don't want to waste your time on videos that don't make you money, it's not more content on YouTube that's going to make you the money. It's a smarter system. It's a smarter strategy. I'm going to be teaching you my playlist funnel strategy inside a brand new free training. It's called Build a YouTube Funnel That Sells Even with 7 Views. And during this workshop, you're gonna learn how to use YouTube as a sales engine, not just a visibility tool, not just a content platform, the 5 video funnel structure that guides viewers from cold to warm buying leads, and how to train the YouTube algorithm to bring you buyers, not lurkers and freebie chasers. You can get your seat in that training at TrenaLittle.com/class. YouTube can absolutely be a game changer for your business, and it can free up so much time when it's done right. Trust me, I've dedicated all of my time to creating content on YouTube, and it is the best thing that I've done in my business. And many of my clients will say the same. If you're wondering, well, what does it really take to start and grow a YouTube channel today in 2025? I'm gonna break that all down for you in this video on your screen right now.